guys, it's Emily. So it's been a little while since I've seen you guys last. I vlogged a little yesterday, but then forgot. All I really did was clean, and then I forgot to vlog the rest of the day. So I'm just going to show you all the clips that I got from yesterday and go on with the vlog. Right now, I'm just packing for Emily's. If you don't know her, she's like my best friend, so yes. I'm packing for that, and then I'm gonna go to her soccer game. Really excited, like normal. So I'm just waiting around for Emily because, you know, I'm waiting for her. She's picking me up soon, so I'm just gonna, you know, watch YouTube, Netflix, so on. And yeah, I'll update you guys in a little bit. So it's like a while later, and oops, we made this amazing batch of slime. It's huge. It's huge.
We have a bunch of them.
And we got snacks. We'll do like a haul, but honestly, it's so stretchy. It's so nice.
Our dad got us Wendy's. My dad.
I was vlogging today, but then I decided not to.
My dad got us Wendy's.
It was good.
Yeah.
Good. Emily and I are thinking about making a fort, but she has to go do something. So I'm gonna wait for her. And we're eating stuff. Crap. You're weird, Emily. Weirdo. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I don't know what the hell that was. Update, so it's a while later. We have this thing set up. We have a mattress in front of the door. Because why not? Emily, I don't want to get copyright. We were listening to like music, but I don't want to get this video copyrighted. So, I'm not going to play music. Good. Cool. Alright. We have snacks over here. It's honestly lit. I accidentally stepped on the wrapper, whatever. But it's a new day. We just woke up and had some breakfast. We're about to clean up our mess and take the things that she needs to the dump. And then we might go run by her house to see. Okay, so we're about to go to the store and the mall and maybe Taco Bell. I don't know yet. I don't know. Sorry about the lighting. Alright, is that better? Okay, well, I'm getting ready right now. Fun in Walmart. Let's go to the toilet paper section and build a fort. Okay, she's gonna hide in the fort. Okay, let's block it. Let's get some more. Yeah, do not do this. Get one. Get that. Emily, get that one.
No. You have to do that one because it. No.
What?
One of these.
Emily.
So it looks natural.
Yeah. It was a freaking. Wait, wasn't it? Okay, now put one on top, like here.
We need to flip this.
Okay. The spot needs to go right here. Stop. Okay, so it's fine.
Oh my god.
She jumped right out. You want to do it?
Emily, this thing is in the way. We can't. So we have to skip that little area.
Update, so I just got back from Emily's and I took a shower, but I saw this hack on Instagram where to keep your hair really straight. My hair isn't naturally straight, it's wavy. So here, I'm gonna move over the mirror so that I can see instead of having to look into my phone. Sorry for you guys looking at nothing, just my bed. Alright. So you're supposed to like grab a hair tie and just like, I don't know if this is gonna work, and I'm afraid it's not, but you just make little wraps, kind of stuff like this, except it needs to be lower down, further away from each other, like that. It's really weird, but hey, people are saying it actually does work. So, you know, might as well. I don't know how this is gonna work. Hopefully it doesn't screw up anything and make anything look weird. But, you know, whatever. We'll just have to see. I look ridiculous. Hey guys, so this is my new hairstyle. I made it up. You guys in a little bit, and I'll just take it out because I'm not gonna have it fully dry because I don't want to just screw up my hair. I don't know. Weird. I'm about to I made like my bed all comfy, like put on a whole bunch of blankets on it. So much blankets, guys, so much. And I'm gonna binge watch Friends until my dinner's ready, and then I'm gonna eat and watch Friends and a whole bunch of other Netflix stuff. Probably re-watch all 13 Reasons Why, all the episodes. Well, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The bad lighting, and how this vlog was all over the place. I'm sorry about that. And I'm also sorry for the noise in the background. But that's gonna have to be it for my video today. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you have not already. And yeah, love you guys. Bye!